Hi, my name's Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Grab your pinkity drinkity, this is about to be a long video. Hi guys, so before we get into today's video, I wanted to say hello to all my new subscribers. Since my last video, I've gained quite a few of you guys, so I just wanted to say hi. And I always do a fun fact about me every week. So this week's fun fact is that I have a little dog named Cinnamon. He is 13 years old and he sleeps on my lap all the time. Cinny, come on. Come on, look. Say hi. This is Cinny. The kisses. He sleeps on my lap all the time. He's always on my lap when I do these videos. I'm just snuggling. Oh, thank you. His name is Cinnamon, like I said, and he's 13 years old. I've had him since he was 6 weeks old, and he's my absolute baby. And he just likes to sit on my lap and sleep and snore. Anyways, let's get on to today's video. So first, I'm going to go in with my eyebrows, and I always do the eyebrows first, just so that if I mess up, I can cover it with foundation, you know, so it's not a huge deal. My eyebrows are pretty thick, so I go in with the MAC Shape and Shade brow tint in the shade Stud. And so basically I use this side first, and I went and took the lids off both sides, and I just kind of stroke, and I'm looking into the mirror right here. I just kind of stroke up and down, and then just do, if you have thick eyebrows like I do, I just basically do these little strokes so it looks like little hairs, because I don't want my eyebrows to look like really drawn on like Sharpies. That's just not the look that I really go for. Then I'm gonna go with the other side. That's the more like filler, I guess you would say, and just kind of fill them in a little more. I seen that one of you guys commented on one of my videos asking me to do a blue eye makeup tutorial, so that's what I'm going to do today. So it's going to be a little different than my usual, you know, videos where I do a full face. Today I'm just doing the eyebrows and the eyes, and stay tuned for more looks. So I'm going to go in with my Metropolis Natasha Denona palette, because it has some blues in it, and I am going to start there. So I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with like a dark blue. Not much though, because it's powerful. These are very pigmented eyeshadows. So you basically want to start on the edge. Oh, and I forgot. I already primed my eyes with the Painterly Pot Soft Ochre by MAC. And I forgot to film that. So make sure you prime your eyes, because that is very important to making sure the eyeshadows stay on and don't crease or anything like that. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in, and on the outer corner I'm going to take this darker blue and blend upward. Take it and blend upward. So see how the darker blue, I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other eye, so they're both on the exact same step. And you can take any dark blue that you would like. You just want to have dimension to the look. So you start at the outer corner of your eye, and you want to blend upward into the crease. And I want to show you this look so you can kind of do this as like an everyday look, because a lot of people don't think blue is an everyday kind of color, because it seems more of like a wild color, but it's actually really versatile. You could do it either way, or, you know, just kind of make it whatever you want. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to build up that color, And what that means is I'm gonna keep going in with the blue, and I'm going to that same dark blue. We're not changing colors or anything. I'm just gonna keep putting it on that outer corner and adding it into this crease. And you're leaving this whole area completely blank, like a little blank canvas for the moment. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep going in with this blue, and I'm gonna keep going my outer corner to inner corner, outer corner. It's kind of like a V. You're making a V. Now I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna kind of use it to blend in with the blue. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna start in the inner corner, but we're still leaving the center completely blank. So you're kind of creating a halo eye, because I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, because I think that is like my absolute favorite thing to do, is add a little bit of glitter to it, because I think that brings every single look together. So I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown. Same thing to the other eye. You want to start the outer corner right here and blend this into the blue. Now what you're gonna want to do is take the Morphe M1708 brush. It's just a flat brush. You can, any kind of flat brush. This is just the brush that I'm using. And you want to make sure it's a flat brush when you use glitter so that it packs on and doesn't just go everywhere. So if you want, you can go ahead and spray brush after you apply the glitter to make the pigment better. So what I'm gonna do, I already did that. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna take it and pack it on right where we left the blank space on your eye. And that's what you want to do. So I'm going to add more glitter to the other eye. And this is just like a white glitter. You can use any kind of glitter that you want. I just thought this would be really pretty with the look that we're doing. So like I said, just going to add it like this. And I think that looks so pretty. I love the pigmentation on these, and I think that this is a very wearable, everyday blue eyeshadow look. Let me know what you guys think below. Let me know what other looks you guys would like me to do. I am currently working on a video for you guys reorganizing all of my makeup. I'm showing you guys everything I own and just kind of organizing all of it. So if you guys are excited for that, let me know. And also, I am filming this on day 17 of my quarantine, and I feel like I'm going insane. You guys let me know if you are, because I literally feel like I am. But if you want to add mascara to this look, go ahead. It would look great. I just showed you guys this because I'm sitting at home and have nothing to do. So I know that some days, you know, you don't want to wear mascara, you just want some eyeshadow. So either way, it works. Alright, as always, thanks for rolling with me. Bye, guys. My mom's watching a movie. You're just gonna, what? I guess you want more kisses.